maybe we should make videos of the projects we do. And Ivan, he might go home and say, hey, I built this thing today. And no one believes him. He might live under a bridge, I'm not sure. He just shows up here sometimes and we built it. So I'll give you a quick plan. This is my brother's office, and he does not need some of this stuff. Alright, Ivan and I were thinking we should build something to solve some world problems. The good Lord says, do something. Thou shalt do something. Because if you stand around and be lazy, then you might go riot or something to find something to do. So this is good, keeping our hands busy. Just said, hey, let's try this. See what happens. Anyway, all we got going here is, here's a sealed canister. We fill this with the waste plastics. We stick it in here and screw that lid on it, and then we sit it in this oven thing. So we'll go build that here pretty soon. And we cook the plastic, and the plastic turns to fumes and gases. It comes out here, we light it up here, or it drains down here into some sort of liquid. So we'll go see if we can make that work. Oh, we've been collecting for 2 years, I think. We have tools that we actually know how to use. Not all the buttons, but we know what lots of those do. We are going to fix world plastic problem, no problem. It is easy. You just need a few tools. And you know, you have to be not smart enough to know you can't do it. I always say that. So, here we go. Oh dear. I must move. Propane tank is very dangerous. Right here. Yeah. So much easier than you think. See how easy that was. They always make welding seem so hard. So hard. It's not. But it is painful. You feel the burn, put on the shirt, and you just enjoy it, right? Otherwise, don't be welder. Don't be welder. It's not for you. You don't like it. Nozzle will stick inside for about that many inches. And you're probably thinking I built everything out of bolts. I actually do some nice stuff too. Voila! Burn two.
Ik had mijn bootje op een werkende vulkaan. Een dinosaurus nu ik al aan.
How you doing there, Ivan? He never has much to say. I think he has good ideas, but he likes to watch me suffer. As you can see there, we can leave our experiments unattended for we have the watchdog. Distracting the watchdog. We're getting rid of normal household garbage. When you learn to recycle, you learn to not throw away stuff like this. This is organic. Anyway, I will say this for purposes I'm not sure you would understand. I don't think my brother will understand either, but he will be like, it's growing now. For some reason he's keeping this tomato sauce on his desk in his office. Just returning it to where I got it from. How you doing there, Ivan? Yeah.
he never says much. In fact, I'm not sure his name is Ivan, but he always responds to it. So
We have new plan for tonight. Big surprise coming. Of course. Probably no one be soon surprised about things we do. I told you I was in for a surprise. We were trying to think of a better way to keep the temperature consistent. And what better way than to use the barbecue. And it already has a thermometer that tells us what thermometers tell you. And this part right here was in the way. And so we removed that. And we made this a little longer. Let's see. Took like 5 minutes. Look at some. It's like making a cake. We are trying to be faithful about documenting our projects here. And so we thought that we would have a very nice controlled burn here. And we do. We have a 550 degree maximum. And we've been sitting at it for long enough to eat some salad and some spaghetti. But we are very industrious. We know that this will be fine. This is the worst that could happen. It might blow up, and we're not too worried about that. So what we will go do is go plant some sweet corn.
I am sad to report the barbecue reactor was not a success. It is much too slow. So we are going to revert back to the other thing because we have discovered we are much smarter than we thought. He knew it all along. Shut up. Just shut up, Ivan. Hey, have you ever done this?
Yeah!
Yes. It looks like it would be fun on your face. Ah, yes. So what are you thinking when you do that? It doesn't feel good?
Yeah, I know. Tell someone pulls on it. Don't have a beard with don't have a beard when you have it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It happened?
Oh, up to 5 pounds. Or is that? No, that's 6.
Light it.